What a beautiful place to meet up for a hike. Led by the fearless and hopefully directionally gifted Hamid, we set off from around Pichiraz. 13,000 steps, 6 miles, 2.5 hours. A short drive and off we go.
Look at how cute. Hey, baby. Oh, I love donkey. That's a donkey. Hi, baby. My mom used to have a donkey named Johnny.
How beautiful is that?
Okay.
So now it's choice time. Hamid offered taking the easier path or the slightly more difficult path. 4 of the group went easy. The rest of us took the slightly more difficult. Look closely and you'll see the scars of last year's devastating fires in the burnt trees. But just as striking is how nature is already softening them, weaving new life through the landscape with bursts of pink and white flowers. Hamid's calling time. Apparently our slightly more challenging route turned into a longer adventure than planned, and the other 4 are probably starting to wonder where on earth we've disappeared to.
He doesn't say much when the morning begins, just a nod, a smile, and we're walking again. Soft steps on stone like he's part of the land. You don't question the trail when it's drawn by his hand. We thought it'd be easy, a stroll in the sun, but the hills had a story that hadn't begun. Follow Hamid, quiet as the breeze, leads you through the wild with a gentle ease. But don't be fooled by the calm in his eyes. You'll earn every view, every climb, every ride.
We finally find the other 4. Oh dear, we may have slightly underestimated how long that little adventure would take. Just kidding, all is well. Turns out they were having a whale of a time, stretched out in the sun, relaxing and enjoying a leisurely lunch. Time to head back. What a wonderful time had by all with Hamid's new hiking group. Thank you, Hamid, for taking the lead. I'm sure this is just the beginning of many great adventures to come.